Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use reading mode in Chrome in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to make Google Chrome read text aloud, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps to use reading mode in Google Chrome. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, open any web page you want to read aloud. Now, right-click anywhere on the page. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. You will see the Open in Reading Mode option. Just click on it. A new, clean, distraction-free page will open on the right side of the screen, showing only the text of the article. Now, if you want the text to be read aloud, click on the play button or listen icon at the top of the reading mode screen. Google Chrome will automatically start reading the text aloud, highlighting each word as it is spoken. You can also adjust the voice speed, pitch, and reading voice from the reading mode settings. After you finish, click on the close icon to return to the original web page. Now, you can easily use reading mode in Chrome to listen to articles, blogs, or any web page hands-free.